North Jersey homeowner seeking an outdoor living space transformation? Imagine patio comfort, whatever the sun's intensity. A Franklin Lakes homeowner faced this challenge. Their beautiful patio lacked essential shade for relaxation and entertainment. They needed a functional solution adding luxury and convenience. Made in the Shade, North Jersey delivered an incredible motorized awning, transforming their patio into a perfect oasis. Our client raved about the early delivery and high-quality materials. We exceed expectations. They highlighted our excellent communication throughout. From consultation to installation, we keep you informed. This ensures a seamless, satisfying journey. It's our 5-star service promise. Quality shade. On time, every time. Discover the Made in the Shade North Jersey difference. Get your free consultation at mitsnorthjersey.com.